The Cozy Campfire slippers by Skechers feature a textile upper with a round toe silhouette and a wide opening for easy slip-on. They have an all-over checkered print with a plush faux fur lining around the trim of the collar, giving you a trendy and cozy style you're sure to love. Inside, there is a soft textile lining with a memory foam footbed that molds to your feet, giving you maximum comfort throughout the day. They're lightweight with a little bit of flexibility, making them great for all-day wear, and it's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that is grippy to keep you stable. Wear these with a comfy pair of leggings.